What are the results of the PRX crypto system on QQQ? This is Bill Scheid from the Systems Lab, and that's the question we're going to answer in this video. If you've taken the PRX crypto system course, you may remember that in the course we do a thought experiment and we ask ourselves, what if crypto was a bubble and now the party's over? One of the many possible future outcomes for crypto is that going forward, it behaves like the NASDAQ after the dot-com bubble. The internet didn't go away after the dot-com bubble, it just got integrated into society. These days, QQQ is still generally more volatile than the S&P, but not like it was before it peaked on March 24th of 2000, which was the top of the dot-com bubble. So in the course, we ask ourselves, what if you had terrible luck and you started trading the PRX system on QQQ exactly on the day of the peak of the dot-com bubble? And what if you also had a belief similar to our belief about crypto, that there's an opportunity of a lifetime for the next 3 to 5 years? So you traded the PRX system on the long side on QQQ for the next 4 calendar years. Well, what we're looking at here are the results of PRX on QQQ from March 24th, 2000, that's the top of the bubble, for the next 4 years to March 24th, 2024. Net R minus 2.39, total trade 16, maximum drawdown minus 2.92 R. In the meantime, the Qs dropped 70.9%. I once heard Dr. Van Tharp or Dr. Ken Long say that they have a belief that when an excellent system encounters adverse market conditions, it doesn't instantly become a terrible system. In times of adverse market conditions, an excellent system goes sideways to slightly down. So to only lose 2.39 R, trying to get long the NASDAQ for 4 years, starting on the day the bubble popped, tells me that the PRX crypto system is an excellent system. But the question is, what are the results of trading the PRX crypto system on the Qs since then? What if we look from March 24th, 2004 to the present? So here we have results generated by the PRX crypto strategy on TradingView for QQQ using the PRX crypto ETF swing system rules. So this uses daily bars, and we're looking at March 24th, 2004, the end of the last period, through July 26th, 2024. Now let's take a look at the numbers across the top here. So net profit, you'll see it's showing $30,926. In the software, we told it to risk $1,000 per trade. So if you like to think in terms of R, that's 30.9 R over 144 trades. We have a 46.5% profitability rate. That's fairly standard for various configurations of the PRX system. It is a trend following system, and that's about an average win rate for many different types of trend following systems. Profit factor of 1.7, maximum drawdown of only minus 5.4 R, and an expectancy of 0.21. For me, I like to see an expectancy of around 0.2 for swing systems, and there we have it. And our equity curve is up and to the right. It looks fairly good. Now, what if we wanted to use a shorter time frame and look at more recent history? Here we have the results of the PRX crypto system still on QQQ, but now we're using 30-minute bars, and we're looking at more recent history. So we started March 24th, 2017, and going through July 26, 2024. So now our net profit jumps to 102.5 R over 550 trades. We have a 40% profitability rate, profit factor 1.46, and a maximum drawdown of minus 0.15 and an expectancy of 0.18. And again, we see that the equity curve is nicely profitable, going up and to the right. Now, what if we wanted to look at an even shorter time frame? Let's say someone who wants to trade intraday only. So here we have 3-minute bars, again, that same time period, 2017 to 2024. Now our net profit jumps to 296.5 R over 5,346 trades, 39% profitability, profit factor 1.15, maximum drawdown minus 38 R, and an average trade of 0.05. Again, we have an equity curve that's up and to the right. So what's the takeaway from all this? Well, actually there are two main takeaways. Going back to our original thought experiment, if crypto was a bubble and now the party's over, and in the future it behaves like the NASDAQ, then there will likely still be plenty of trading opportunities and the PRX system will likely still be quite profitable. Or if you don't like crypto and you just want to trade the NASDAQ, the second takeaway is there's plenty of opportunity if you apply the PRX crypto system just to QQQ and don't even trade it on crypto at all. This is Bill Scheid from the Systems Lab. Thank you very much for watching and happy trading.